Hi everyone, welcome to Journaling Junkie. I hope you're all well. I'm here today to show you my latest little junk journal. It measures 6 inches by 6 inches and it's mainly used, I've used Art House Whimsy's Nature Kit. It's one of my favourite kits, and I did a little poll on Instagram and asked whether my next creation should be a vintage journal or a nature, and nature won. So I've actually sort of combined it. It is a bit vintagey as well, so best of both worlds. Okay, so as I say, it measures 6 inches by 6 inches. It's packed with lots of ephemera, book pages, this lovely paper here. It comes as a A4 page and I had to use that as the background. It's just really pretty and really goes well with the journal. So on the front I've fussy cut lots of images taken from various pages. Some of them I've used glossy accents, like this little girl here. I've added a little vintage button, laces, these lovely flowers, stamping and stenciling on there. Okay, and then this opens up. I've made this on a vintage file folder that I was given by a friend. She gave me a huge collection of them. I really appreciate them. Thank you. And in here we've got a little pocket, and I've added some lovely lace and fabrics there. And there's some writing space here, or this could be decorated up. And inside we've a little journaling card and a little ticket that, again, I've used glossy accents on there. I don't know if you remember me saying, I had a problem with my glossy accents that I got really disappointed with. It's so runny that you can't actually just go around something. So I actually paint it on. I was really angry about that because they're not cheap to buy, Mr. Tim Holtz. Okay, so that's my grumble out of the way for today. So we'll open this. It's tied with this garden string. A little tip here, if you go into the range and you go to buy string in the crafts department, it's expensive. So go down to the gardening department, and I always buy mine from there. You get a huge roll of it and it's much cheaper. Okay, so here we have this lovely front pocket. Again, this is taken from one of the papers from the kit. The back page is the same, but I've left this plain so that you can decorate this up. And in here I'm going to put an envelope, and it will have lots of bits and pieces that are left over, so that you can decorate throughout. Okay. Hi, sorry about the little break there, but as usual, as soon as I start filming, the postman comes. It comes at various times, so I can never judge it. So in here, I've put some vintage book pages. This is from an encyclopedia that's about 80 years old. And then just this lovely page here, and I thought this could be used for fussy cuts, etc. And then here, again, I've used the glossy accents on there and various fabrics to create this collage page. And added the green file folder there. A little bit of collage in here, stamping and stenciling. And then here, I think this is one of Art House Whimsy's photographs. I'm not 100% sure. It could actually be Klebat creations, I'm not sure. So here, stamping and stenciling, little die cut, and then in here a couple of little tags. Here with a little pocket. You can decorate this up with the little bits that I'm going to put in the back. And then here, various fabrics. Little tag there. Some scrappy paper here for, you can use this for collaging or whatever you want really, writing on. And then here is some handmade paper. It's just a little piece that I had left over. It's really beautiful. Writing space. Here I've taken this green doily. I cut a circle out and just embellished it with that. And the same on the other side. Here we've got this, it's taken from a vintage tablecloth. Oops, they've all fallen out. Again, these little bits are from the kit, apart from this. This is one of my own images, that's not part of the nature kit. And then this vintage book page. All writing space. This is also part of the vintage tablecloth. And then here we've got these two little envelopes, which I thought went beautifully with this page here. So I didn't want to cover that page up because, you know, you can see the colours match beautifully. In here, a little bit of paper, and also there is a tuck spot there. So I'll leave that there so that whoever buys it will realise there's a tuck spot there. I also, I think, put one there, but things are going to get fairly trapped, so... And the same in there. Little decorated little envelopes. This is some lace that I've heavily grunged there. And then this page here is actually a little tuck spot. This is taken from a vintage book that I have. And then here, this is actually from a book all about London's Crystal Palace, and this, I think it's one of the original papers that they had there. So got little tags, some more journaling space, and then here this little copy of a vintage photo. Here I've taken various elements of the kit and created this journaling tag. Beautiful colours. She gets such rich colours. And that's on some of the vintage file folder. Little bit of Edith Holden there. And then here, this is just something that I've printed out and added this little pocket here. And then we have a little tag there. Just a little collage page. I did some of this lovely leaf design. It's not lace, is it? Whatever it is. Another page from the kit. And then here, these are two separate pieces that I've sewn together. And then I've created this little tag. This is lovely fabric. I've added this ribbon which goes really well with the kit. I've only a tiny bit of it left and I've no idea where I got it from. But I'd like to get some more. Here we've got a little tuck spot. And a little tag of this fabric too. It's taken from a vintage dress that I bought from a charity shop. More of the Edith Holden. This is from a book called The Seasons. It's really pretty. Really lovely images in, and the writing's beautiful. So again, little pocket, two little tags. Vintage dress fabric there. I've left this plain so it can be, you can either decorate it or leave it. I just love it too much to cover up. Writing space, a bit of collage and stamping. Another little collage tag. And here, another one of those lovely little photographs. So it's just a collage page. Little tag here. That's been printed onto photo paper, as you can see. Some tissue paper that's embossed with gold on there. And some of this lovely fabric that Carol Law sent me ages ago. And I can't get it anywhere. So Carol, if you're watching this, please could you let me know where you got that from, or anybody else who knows. It's like a hessian with printed flowers on. And I really love it. And I've only got a tiny bit left. This is, I've been left for you to decorate. Another little collage tag, and I've added a little frame on there. And then this vintage paper here. A little bit of collaging on this pocket. And then we're to the back page. And this can be used for writing or decorating. As I said earlier on, this page is going to have an envelope in with little bits that are left over from the kit. And maybe a couple of bits of fabric, we'll just see. But there will only be scraps because obviously I can only get so much in there. And we've come to the back. I hope you've enjoyed looking through this journal with me. It will be for sale in my Etsy store as soon as this video is up on YouTube. It'll also be on Instagram as well. So thank you for watching. Take care, and I hope to see you all very soon. Bye for now.